I'm fixing to do something, y'all, that's gonna give you the best of both worlds. A Georgia cookie candy. That sounds pretty good. And we don't even have to turn the oven on for this. All right, now we're gonna start out with our food processor. About 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Some crunchy peanut butter. And I'm doing this in the food processor because this is going to represent the cookie layer. I want that peanut butter out of that. And we're going to throw in 2 sticks of butter that are naturally softened to room temperature. And we're going to add our confectionate sugar. And we're going to just process this, y'all, until it forms a ball. We'll make a ball when it's done. And over here on the stove, I'm melting some chocolate chips because that's going to be our candy layer. Don't be afraid to stop your processor and give it a stir. Now you can spread this in your hand using your hands or a spatula. So since my hands are clean and I've already gotten them messed up, I'm just going to finish doing it by hand. And we have lined a 13 by 9 by 2 pan. Just gonna Just gonna spread this out evenly in our pan. And there's 2 sticks of butter in this cookie part, so I think it'll cut nicely. I can't remember. But anyway, I sprayed it very, very lightly, just in case. Just in case it wanted to test me. Cut that. So the warmth of your hand will help make that real spreadable. So like I said, you want to just do it as evenly as you can. What are you doing? What are you doing, Cookie Monster?
I'm having some world famous tuna salad.
Oh, with vanilla wafers?
No.
Oh, I thought you had vanilla wafers. All right, look at our chocolate. It's nice and melted. So now I'm just going to spread this over the cookie part. And just spread it all over it, y'all. Michael, I'm making a candy cookie. A cookie candy.
I'm on a diet.
I hear you. But $1 to a donut, I bet you try this.
Well, I think
That's a safe bet, isn't it?
that's probably why my diet is not working, sir.
Our oven's calling us. All right, now we're going to need to refrigerate this for several hours. Make it get nice and firm. Can I take it for you? Yes, you can. You may. Thank you. And we'll be back. Yes, we will. Eddie, you want to see who's hanging over your right shoulder? The Cookie Monster.
The tester.
All right, Michael. This is called a Georgia cookie candy. You think you're going to like it?
I do. I wish you'd have made more than one, though.
Now, I'm going to, like I said, you don't want to use a serrated knife on the last couple of things that I've made, because it will,
I'm about to do it.
it will make it tear up. So, and this isn't really cooled enough. We're rushing it, so that fell apart. But there you go.
Thank you.
You're going to have to hold it together. Bon appetit.
It's like Reese pieces.
That's what it was supposed to do.
This is going to be easy to diet to stick to.
I know. You know what? I'm wondering, I bet I could have molded the cookie part in the shape of an egg and then poured the chocolate on top of it, and we would have had chocolate covered eggs. Might have to try that one.
Easter's coming.
That's why I'm doing this. For Easter. You want another little bite, or you good?
No, that's good.
Yeah, moderation.
I don't have that piece.
Uh-oh, look. Look, uh-oh.
It broke in half. I guess I have half.
I'm going to give you the little half. Love and best dishes, y'all. It helps to have a cookie monster in the house when you got a lot of cookies. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.